Hello, this is my next Executive Series video. Our topic is organization. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first video of mine you've seen, please go back and watch the Executive Series introduction for more background information on what we're going to do with this video. You will find all the supporting information, an outline, and links to information in the video description below. In this video, we are going to go through the requirements for organization in less than 2 minutes. We have a standard agenda which covers 4 items. You can see those items in the progress bar below. As a bonus, if you stick around to the end of the video, I will give you 3 questions that you can ask that will highlight that you understand the requirement and also give you some good information about your quality management system. Our requirement, organization, comes directly from 820.20b and ISO 13485 sections 5.1 and 5.5. Organization in 5 words. Adequate organization for product quality. You must establish an adequate organization to ensure that you have an effective quality management system. In order to have an effective quality management system, you have to have the right level of resources. Employees have to know what to do and how to do it. And finally, management must appoint a management representative, someone who watches over the quality management system. I will cover the requirements for management rep in another video. How do I know I have the adequate organization? First, you have clear, defined org charts available. Second, employees and groups understand their responsibilities, accountabilities, and interrelationships. Third, employees that actually affect quality, employees working in quality, have the independence they need to do their jobs. Fourth, management has appointed a management representative. And then finally, there's enough resources to ensure that your quality management system is effective. How do I know it's not working? Well, first, employees and organizations, they don't know their accountabilities, their responsibilities, or interrelationships. Your org charts aren't clear. Second, if you have large backlogs and complaints, CAPAs, overdue internal audits, product launches that are delayed, you don't have enough resources. And then finally, if your quality audits, both internal and external, result in a large number of major nonconformances or just a large number of nonconformances in general, your organization is not effective. And now for those 3 bonus questions. First, where are our organizational charts defined and how are they maintained? Second, how do employees know their responsibilities, accountabilities, and the interrelationships between the different groups? And then finally, who is our management representative and how is that documented within our QMS? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.